Hey y'all, my name is Miranda Peterson. I am a yoga teacher based in Asheville, North Carolina. And today I'd like to share with you a 5-minute evening gratitude meditation. This will help you unwind and relax and end the day with an attitude of gratitude. If you prefer a morning meditation or would like to do a morning meditation in addition to this one, I'll leave a link to the description below. If you'll join me in practicing this meditation every day for 31 days as part of my 31-day meditation challenge. You can listen to this meditation while lying in bed or sitting on the edge of your bed or sitting in a chair or sitting in a cushion, whatever's comfortable. So just get comfortable here, relax the body and the shoulders. You can keep the eyes open or gently close the eyes or just gaze down towards the floor. We'll start to become aware of our breath. So start to become aware of your breath, noticing inhales and exhales in and out through your nose. And see if you can make each breath a little bit slower, a little bit longer, a little bit more intentional. As you slow down and deepen the breath, this activates your parasympathetic nervous system and helps to relax your body and your mind. So think of 3 things today that you were grateful for. These can be things that you accomplished or perhaps people in your life or comforts that you appreciate. What is the first thing or accomplishment or person that you are grateful for today? What is the second thing or person or accomplishment that you are grateful for today? What is the third thing or accomplishment or person that you are grateful for today? When we practice gratitude, it makes us feel happier, more content. Helps us remember why life is worth living. Feel this gratitude in your heart. Feel it spreading throughout the body. And count your last 10 breaths backwards from 10 to 0. And since this is the end of the day, feel free to keep your eyes closed and just move your headphones or your phone off to the side. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, and I hope this practice has helped you relax and feel grateful for your day. Hope you sleep well. Namaste, and have a wonderful night.